Back then, I made my own first PDF guide in the parenting niche, and unfortunately, I didn't make any single sale. And of course, that happened because I just make my own digital product or my own PDF guide out of my interest and my passion in this amazing niche. And I assumed people would lovely purchase my own digital product. And of course, nowadays, most people who want to sell digital products do the same mistake every single time. They build their own digital products and they just spend more time to build this digital item. And for sure, they hope sell it because they love this product and guess people want to purchase it. So instead, to just don't fall in this same mistake, make your own digital product based on real problems, real demand people really search for. So here you can find people if you just make your own digital product based on real problem or real demand. So people actively search for it and then they purchase this product. So here, just the first stage here, if you want to just sell your digital product actively and smartly, here you can search for real demand and real questions, real problems people are encountering in their lifestyle or in this life. Then you can build the smallest possible answer product. So to be more clear in this one, just let me show you this example. Here, just you are happy here, just you can go and come in this digital product field. So just you can create your own PDF based on your passion and your interest, and you are loving in this amazing niche. It could be like parenting, like fitness coaching, and so on. Then you can search for your people, your audience. For sure, they don't need this PDF or this digital product in general. So the total revenue just $0. So instead, here you can go first to your people and look for their problems and their demand. Then based on these questions or these problems, you build your own PDF and your product. Then hence you can make money online selling your digital product that people are actively searching for it. So now, Riemann, how you can get these demand and these questions people are looking for to build my own digital products? There are many ways. For sure, the simplest ways is you can go through all social media. People are actively looking for answers, looking for different pieces of advice, and so on. So, for example, you can head over to reddit.com, one of the best platforms. Here you can find many of these problems people are just just wanna answers for it. And here you can find two different ways or two different inputs you can use to look for all these problems. The first one here, you can just use this formula like your niche and your interest, or your niche or sub niche like email marketing, and with this word in between brackets, like the bad negative or bad and negative feeling, like frustrated, like email marketing, and uh, annoying, bad, I wish there was, or difficulty or challenging or something like that. Here you can insert in this placeholder a negative word: difficulty, challenging, frustrated, annoying, and so on. Okay, then you can find all of these results on reddit.com. People are asking for this question or this subniche using the same word: frustrating, terrible, annoying, bad, and so on and so forth. Then it's time to look for these problems people are looking for daily on reddit.com, different subreddits, and so on and so forth. Like, what's your biggest frustration building HTML emails and so on regarding email marketing and so on and so forth? What's your biggest frustration? What I wish someone told me when I started email marketing and so on and so forth. Okay, that's one. So here you can use reddit.com to build your own data regarding the problems or demand people in this broad niche email marketing. The second formula here, you can go to reddit.com actually, and here you can insert your niche in between brackets, and then you can find those beginner mistakes or something like that, like camping, hiking, beginner mistakes, email marketing, beginner mistakes, and so on. Because beginners, for sure, your golden target audience. Camping and beginner mistakes and so on and so forth. And here you can for sure you can find here many of these ideas, and you'll find gold mines of these problems people are falling at and looking for solutions. For sure you can make your own digital product represented in a solution to this problem itself, okay, for this specific target audience. That's it. The first sure you can just navigate to different social media as earlier, like TikTok, Facebook groups, and so on. Like here you can find x.com, like insert this formula, camping, beginner mistakes. Here you can find huge amounts of these threads and tweets. People are just posting, and in their comments you can find these questions or these lifestyle as you see. And for sure, here's the same way on TikTok. Here you can look for the same keyword, camping beginner mistakes or something like that. Then you can go to these one of these auto suggestions from TikTok, and here you can find in these videos all of these ones. So you can pick one of them like the high engagement and go through the comments where you can find the real people can look for their problems. Okay, that's it. So here the first way here you can get all of these questions. Then therefore you can get some of these comments and these threads from reddit.com or from Twitter or X.com, and go to ChatGPT and just paste all the bulk of these comments or these threads randomly and blindly, and ask ChatGPT or QN or any chat model you are using to give you a detailed or a table of these SaaS ideas or digital products to solve these problems. Okay, that's it. And for sure, I just think this task is daunting and takes time and effort. And for sure, he can go through many of these problems. People are looking for digital products to solve it. And here, I just to give you another way to do that simply and very, very, very fast. Just by using my own tool, the Ask to Income tool. Ask to Income tool. Here just to convert any question to beautiful revenue or income stream, like a magic. Have that dreaming. So here you can go to this Ask to Income tool and just leave down below the first comment and description box its link. And here you can find this Ask to Income tool just packed with huge amounts of these the really demand niches nowadays. So here you can find the low carb diet, camping, leadership, and so on. Then if you just take a camping an example, here you can find many of these topics people are looking for and trending topics in this one. Here camping tips for beginners, gear essentials, cooking tips and recipes, and so on. Therefore, you can go for this one like tips for beginners. Then you can find the most pressing questions people are looking for regarding this hot and trending topic. So you can pick one of them like what is the rule number one of camping here. And here let me show you an amazing feature here on this amazing tool Ask to Income. Here just instead of just wasting your time to look for all of these demand or problems you are just suffering from in different social media, I just added this amazing feature, this add your own question, and here just unlocked only for the paid users. And here you can insert your question that you can pick from any social media or from your imagination or something. And this one discover real-time trends. Nowadays, the hourly trending regarding this question. So for example, to how you can use this amazing feature on Ask to Income Riemann, I can go back again to reddit.com for sure and take something like this one. Okay, this question. Okay, I can take this question, copy, and go back to my tool Ask to Income and just insert this here. Okay, and added. Perfect. Then you can go to this one, scan real-time trends, hourly updated trends from all social media like from Reddit, x.com, and TikTok. So you can scan real-time trends. So here you can actually proceed anyone else to make your own digital product to solve this problem exactly. So here just in a few seconds here you can find this report here. the across reddit.com and the camping TikTok and extra threads and so on. Here, the first one actually question here, leave no trace. And here you can find many of these ones. So how to I pick a safe campsite to avoid flooding or wildlife issues. Okay, what the biggest packing mistakes new campers make, packing mistakes. Okay, practice setting up, check weather accurately for camping trip and so on. Okay, this is a one that usually searched and people are looking for right now in today or yesterday maximum. Okay, it's a fresh data from all social media instead of just wasting your time to look for here and search for on Reddit, subreddits, TikTok videos, and so on. Therefore, here you can find the golden way here on golden features here on ask to income. Here you can just make your own questions here already. So you can pick one of them like the biggest packing mistake, for example. Okay, just select this one. Then it's time now here you can find this amazing income opportunity report here, generate your report. Here you can find the biggest and the most brilliant gap finders here, gaps and opportunities regarding this simple question. Okay, and then you can find you can convert this question itself to a weapon here in your social media, like in blog article, video script for YouTube or something, for Twitter, social media, carousel post, TikTok, Pinterest, and so on. Or even better, you can go to this one SaaS idea to just to make your own digital SaaS AI SaaS tool to solve this specific problem as you want. So for sure, if you can go this one SaaS idea, okay, here you can find this tool as you see. The rule number one, leave no trace companion and so on and so forth. And not only that, here you can also you can make your own product premium product empire as you want. Here you can just make your own checklist bundle here for people. It's a bundle of 5 or 6 checklists for people to just avoid this specific problem or this difficulty. So you click over this one checklist bundle. You can find an amazing bundle of these checklists, and for sure, and honestly speaking, these most of these features are for only paid users. Okay, that's it. So here you can find the free and the free way here just by using reddit.com and searching for here and there, or you can go to ask to income to save your time and effort, and for sure give you ahead of all your competitors or all people are looking for the same sub niche or the same niche, camping or hiking and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.